Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect Hostinger to n8n. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. I'm now inside my n8n dashboard, and first I will create a new workflow from here. The first node will be a schedule trigger. I will close it right now, and then I will add another node, and here search for Hostinger. You will see Hostinger API. This is official from Hostinger. As you see here, this Hostinger API node is already installed in my case. Yes, because before recording this video, I clicked on install node button. So here, let's set an action. For example, here you can set a node to cancel subscription, delete payment method. Also, DNS actions like get DNS snapshot, restore DNS snapshot, delete DNS zone. Domain actions like check domain availability, disable domain log. For example, in this video, I think I will go with check domain availability. Here you can go with enable domain log, enable domain privacy protection, get a domain, list domains, purchase a domain, domain forwarding actions, domain who is actions like create who is profile, reach actions, VPS actions like get VPS metrics, get reset VPS host name. There are this is a very long of actions that you can do with after connecting Hostinger to n8n. So for this, I think I will go with, for example, cancel subscription. I think I will go with delete payment method because this is useful. Here below credentials to connect with, click on create new credentials. This new window will pop up. Click on open docs. This is an official developers page from Hostinger, so keep this page open in the case you need it, and go to hostinger.com, my bad, and click on my account to land on this login page. Now fill in your email and password and hit login. Now, yes, to get your API key token, go to your profile icon from this corner, click on account information. Here, click on API, then click on generate token. Let's give it a name, for example, my n8n test key. For the expiration, you can set from 1 month to never expires. I will go with 1 year, click on generate. So this is your token, click on it to copy it like that, copy it successfully. Then go back to n8n and click on and paste it here. And click on save. Credentials successfully created inside your personal space. And to make sure that this Hostinger node credentials are well set, you will see this connection tested successfully. You can give it a retry. It keeps seeing the same thing. So good, click close this window. Same thing here, and now my Hostinger account is connected. For the resource, you can go with yes, here select the resource you want to edit. In my case, I will keep it billing, delete payment method, or cancel subscription ID. For example, here you need to fill in your subscription ID. Let's look for a subscription in my account. Let's go to billing, subscriptions. I think all subscriptions, or let's set this subscription auto renewal on. So here, this is the subscription ID, copy it like that, paste it here. So now let's close this. For the trigger execute workflow, now let's refresh this page. As you see, auto renewal is on for this subscription. If I click on execute workflow, workflow executed successfully. Now I should see off here below auto renewal and next to the VPS. I don't know what happened. Expired? Cancel subscription. My bad. I canceled the subscription instead of disabling the auto renew. My bad. Has been cancelled. Other, if you cancel this, please reply to this email. Subscription by mistake. Please restore it for me. Let's add this subscription. I think that's all for this video. I hope they restore the subscription for me. Connection loss, as you see, connection loss because the VPS that n8n is hosted on is cancelled. And this is how to connect Hostinger to n8n. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.